We'll go to the temple. So this is Mansi Ganga. So in Mansi Ganga, like story behind this river. This is not a river, but like so while like Yashoda and his husband wanted to bath in a Ganga river, so Krishna prayed and this Ganga flow here actually.